Today I'm going to be showing you one of the nicest cars we've touched in a long while. This is a 1956 Bel Air Convertible, single family owned its whole life. It's been a recipient of a very comprehensive rotisserie restoration. It's got the 210 horse, 265 V8 under the hood, all the power options, Sierra Gold over a beige and copper interior. Come take a look. So as we begin to look at this car, it may even be over restored, I'm going to call it. It's probably nicer than it would have been new from Chevrolet. The paint is like glass. The chrome is a mile deep without blemish. That grille looks incredible. The lenses on all our lamps look great. Those are T3 headlamps, so they're the correct glass lenses. Hood release just under here. Now, aside from a conversion to 12 volt, this is very factory correct. Has an alternator disguised as an old generator. You see it's got a power steering pump. It also has power brakes you see up there on the firewall. Speaking of firewall, it's incredibly well detailed. We have the original trim tag still up on the cowl, and the details are impressive from top to bottom, front to back. I mean, from the ground clamp to the correct hoses, proper horns, the right plating, all the right hardware. We've got this beautifully dressed 265 with the 4-barrel on top of it and the original oil bath air cleaner even. I'll show you how this hood closes up. Sits down in those fenders near perfectly. Our wide white walls look great. The center caps have been beautifully finished. Behind those caps is a body colored steel wheel. Moldings all line up perfectly. This is all stainless bright work on this car, and it's very well polished. Door gaps couldn't be better in my opinion. They sit flush. They're consistent from top to bottom. Bright work around the windows. This brand new looking soft top. It's without crease or tear. Have the snap-in rivets for the tonneau boot around the rear of the car. A very sharp dual exhaust with the correct tips. One neat feature on the Tri-5s of this era is this hidden fuel fill. You see even the taillight bulb sockets are plated correctly. Seal that up like so. I'll grab the keys and pop this trunk. Nice smooth action on the rear latch. Have some factory, some era correct paperwork, full-size spare with the jack and the lug wrench. Nice mat, quite a bit of room back here. Sound deadening mats present. There's an original jack instruction sticker or a reproduction of the original still in there. And every inch of this car inside and out has been touched. It's all in the details on this one. Seal up top looks great. Again, proper hardware, proper plating. Love to see it. Seals up good, laser straight body, fit and finish. Again, it matches the driver's side. I don't think it could be much better. As we've combed this car the past couple weeks, I have not found chips, I haven't found scratches, any cracking, any bubbling to tell you about. Now I want to show you what this car has for an interior. Whew. Very smooth action on the door. The door edges are great. Rockers and sill plates look awesome. The door cards look immaculate. This is copper and beige inside of here. You see this car is equipped with power windows. It also has a power seat. Beautiful 3-spoke wheel. Everything refinished. Color's awesome. It says just 671 miles on the restoration, and I think it could pass for having 6 miles. It is that clean. The steel dash finished in body color looks incredible. The inlays all look to be new. The radio looks like that is also a new piece. We've got the swing out tissue box. We have a working analog clock. We also have heater controls right here, 12-volt socket or cigarette lighter, light poles, wipers. And this one has a power glide transmission. Drop it in gear and go, simple as that. The correct mats with the nice clear protectors on there now, keeping those in a good condition, but no flaws there. And in the glove compartment, courtesy lamp works as it should, and we have power top operations. We have an old registration and an owner's manual for your 56 Chevy. Ashtray. And behind these seats, beautifully covered. Again, no detail missed. Rear seats don't look like they've ever been sat in. None of the thread is torn, and this also has rear power window switches as well. you want to see anything more on this car, real quick, I'm going to flash you the underbody. You could eat off the underside of this car. If you want to know anything more about it, you want to see anything more, don't hesitate to call us or email us. The number is 248-714-2110. Our email is inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. And down below in the description of this video, we'll leave a link to view the full listing on our website. That's where you can find 100+ pictures all the way around this car. Good breakdown of what this car is, where it's been, what has been done to it. Thank you once more for tuning in. And while you're here, check out some more of our clips, and we'll see you in the next one.